Hey guys, so we're back and we're gonna be doing that again. Okay, I got enough research points to own it, so I'm gonna be right, bro. Okay, this is a motorcycle. Let's go. Okay, good that I have more goop. I was. Whoa, did something fell out from this thing? Well, let's just continue. Wait, well, I was gonna get what? Oh, it's over here. Let me check. Okay, I can do wheelies now. No brakes. Okay. I'm just gonna do something else. Sorry if you guys heard that guy screaming, brother, bro, that's my brother. Where is it? Oh yeah, I forgot I have a door here. Do I got it right? Yeah, okay. Let's test it. Damn, I can do a front wheelie too. Oh man, I'm gonna say this thing so bad. Yellow sky shoe? I thought it was a thing. Willie. Okay, let's just go back and do something. It is important. Let me take some goop. This one is not gonna be something absurding. It's gonna be something better. Over here. Oh damn. Okay, over here. Quick. Quick. Oh, this one is small. Yeah, bro. Yeah. Gotta take this. Okay, guys. So apparently we finished our invention. Okay. Good legs. Let me just do a little fixing thing. Perfect. Let's scan it again. Okay, guys, bro. I'm always scanning and scanning again and again, bro. I just don't want to lose it. That's why I always scan. And I scan quick. Okay, guys. So we finished. Oh man, but I cannot do a front wheelie. So I'm gonna change it over here. Okay. We've got our stuff ready. Okay, so guys, this is how it went. It got this stuff. You open it, the song starts. Don't care if that ain't open. Just put stuff to it, so then you can. It's like a secret backpack with like a motorcycle, bro. Sorry if the wheels are too tall. I added a lot of stuff. I added a saddle for if you want to bring somebody. It's only like one ride saddle. If you want somebody to go in a ride, if somebody wants to go in a ride. Okay, so that was the end of the video. Okay, so bye guys. Have a nice day. This is a short video because it was a tiny little pause. Well, hope you guys have a good weekend. And okay guys, and this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching, by the way. Okay, so bye guys. See ya in the next video, bro. Let's go.